If the graph of Ethereum looks like this just over the last 24 hours, imagine what meme coins are going to look like when the confidence really returns. Guys, all of this Ethereum progress is on news of an Ethereum ETF. We're going to cover that just slightly in this video, but I'm going to talk more about the cyclical nature of moving from Ethereum over to the Ethereum tokens, or the beta ETH style of investing in this video. And we're also going to be hitting on some of the articles that talk about that, absolutely. But one of the Ethereum tokens that has the potential to gain the most, Dogeverse. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. And as you can see, we've got Dogeverse on the screen right now. And if you feel at any time during this video like you want to buy into Dogeverse, please make sure to utilize the affiliate link that's in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website, so you've got nothing to worry about in terms of connecting your wallet to a scam website or anything like that. You're going to be in good hands there. But I want to talk about why. Okay, why you might be interested in buying Dogeverse in this video, and it all has to do with this chart right here. Ethereum is on an absolute tear right now. And if I would have told you that this was a meme coin, if I would have removed the price and removed the name from the chart right there, you would have believed me that this is a meme coin and not the second largest coin in the entire world moving higher like this. Now, it is on news of an ETF. Not that an ETF has been approved, but speculation is rising, and it's rising very, very quickly. The odds that Bloomberg analysts are giving for an Ethereum ETF right now have risen from 20% to 75%. The SEC is requesting that all of these institutions file their paperwork sooner rather than later, and it's got a lot of traders anticipating that an ETF for Ethereum is going to be happening very, very quickly here. And as you can see, look what the major news is about right now. PEPE, Floki, Bonk, all running. Mog, PEPE, rocketing higher. You've got PEPE ready to go. PEPE going to become PEPE, PEPE, PEPE. Now let's check this one out right here, because this is exactly what I was thinking, but this news article summarizes it perfectly. It says PEPE price surges over 15% with meme coin traders also bullish on Dogeverse. Now, absolutely. So let's go through this real quick. It says the meme coin market is at a bullish start of the week. PEPE is leading the charge with the token's price surging 15% since yesterday afternoon. But the positivity isn't just around PEPE. Meme coin traders are buzzing about the progress of Dogeverse's pre-sale, which has raised over $15 million in funding. And to be honest with you, it's probably closing in, if not has already passed $20 million in funding already, because Dogeverse is gearing up to really take advantage of this rally. Now, if you come back out, you can see this is an interesting concept here. These traders are loading up on Mog, PEPE, and others as traders search for Ether beta bets. Now, an Ethereum beta bet it's an Ethereum token, or just a token built on the Ethereum network. I'm trying to simplify it as much as possible. Instead of going out and betting on the alpha, instead of going out and betting on Ethereum or investing into Ethereum, you say to yourself, okay, I can leverage this opportunity by buying an Ethereum token, one which has a much smaller market cap, and one therefore could rise much, much higher in price as Ethereum kind of dictates the storyline in the coming weeks. If you guys don't believe that meme coins will run based on Ethereum ETF, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not going to sit here and try to convince you at this point, but if you've been in the cryptocurrency space for any length of time, you know that there's a cyclical nature between Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins, and then bear market, and then back to the blue chips, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins, and so on. And we could be moving from Ethereum beginning to hit new, fresh, or even all-time highs on this ETF news over to meme coins like Dogeverse. Now, guys, if you are interested in buying into Dogeverse, it is very, very simple to do. And an Ethereum is going to get you 11,796,804 Dogeverse at this point in time, which, just imagine, okay, it's at 0.003 right now. If it 10x's, it's a third of a cent. If it 30x's, you're going to a penny. Guys, and if Dogeverse goes to a penny, imagine what your 11 million is going to be worth at that point. Imagine what a simple 30x in a brand new token could do. That right there is why I have invested into Dogeverse. Now, yes, full disclosure, I've bought in. I'm excited about it. I believe that it can rally, but it's not just the excitement of the rally that drove me there. It's the fact that we are in a bull market right now. Now, we might not be at the phase of FOMO yet, and let me emphasize the key word yet, because if Bitcoin begins to hit all-time highs, if Ethereum begins to hit all-time highs, FOMO will kick in. And when it does, and people begin to jump into these micro-cap coins, the potential is essentially unlimited. So a 30x gain in a brand new token is not unheard of. Now, of course, I have no idea what the open market is going to do when Dogeverse begins trading. Some people will buy, some people will sell. But the major demand and the shift in sentiment during this upcoming market has got a lot of people excited about Dogeverse. Now, the good news is, if you don't have Ethereum, you can buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. But on top of it, you can claim on those blockchains, and you can freely bridge back and forth between those blockchains as well. This is not just some meme coin that we're talking about here. This is a multi-chain bridge between the 6 most active blockchains outside of Ethereum. Or outside of Bitcoin, sorry, Ethereum is included. Now think about that for a second. It's not just the Ethereum bros that are going to be able to jump in and buy Dogeverse. It is literally almost every blockchain that you have in terms of being able to purchase. Now, if you do not want to trade, you can currently stake for 53% annualized passive income. That is huge. So if you're not into trading your tokens, you can lock them up, you can stake them, and you can earn 53% on an annualized basis. I want to know one thing down in the comments. Well, I want to know 2 things. Number 1, are you guys buying into Dogeverse? Simply yes or no is going to do it. I told you yes, I am buying in. I would like to know if you guys are buying in. But also, do you believe that in the cyclical nature of the markets, going from bear to bull, and then from blue chips down to meme coins? If you do, I think it's very difficult to argue with the point that Dogeverse stands to gain the most during this next bull market rally. So let's see what you guys think down there, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.